morning, guys.
Ayan, good morning, Caitlin. Ayan, say good morning.
Good morning.
Ayan, good morning. Kahit pinapanood nyo ito ng gabi, good morning pa din sa inyo. Tingnan nyo, meron siyang hawak ngayon ng isang pack ng Prism, the last pack. Ayan, buksan natin. Ayan, separately. Binuksan namin yung iba. Sa another video, makita nyo. Tapos meron tayong off-cam na isang pack. Pulled by Kuya, which is good. Ito, tingnan natin kung maganda. At makita ba natin dito nga mga hinahanap natin, katulad ni Wembanyama, Luka D, LeBron James for the first card, base card, from Cleveland Cavaliers, Darius Garland. Sige, basahin mo.
Darius Garland.
Who's
Johnny
the next one?
Davis from Wizards.
From Wizards, very good. Johnny Davis.
Jet Howard from Magic.
Orlando Magic, rookie ni Jet Howard. Ayan.
Marcus Sasser.
Yan, si Marcus Sasser from
Pistons.
Pistons, Detroit Pistons. Yan, ito una natin, instant impact mula sa Brooklyn Nets, si
Noah Cloud.
Noah Clowney, rookie. Ayan, at ito nakabaliktad. Ating pink.
Ousmane Dieng.
Ousmane Dieng ng Oklahoma City Thunder. Another nakabaliktad. Silver Prism. Sino yan? Basahin mo.
Allen Iverson.
Allen Iverson from Philadelphia 76ers. Silver Prism. Ayan, nakabaliktad. Sino yan?
Andrew Nembhard.
Andrew Nembhard ng Indiana Pacers. Ating pink parallel. Ito, base card.
Marjon Beauchamp.
Marjon Beauchamp from Milwaukee Bucks. Mga bangko ng Milwaukee. Yan. Sino yan?
Jalen Williams.
J-Dub is in the house. Oklahoma City Thunder, Jalen Williams. Yan yung ating last base card. Ayan guys, yan yung mga pull natin ngayon. Ayan, meron tayo dito isang pack ng Prism. Let's open it. Wow! Mainit-init ang mga packs na nakuha natin. Off the cam, nakakuha tayo ng Kyrie Irving, Kobe Bufkin na pink, at saka D. Rose na pink. Siyempre, meron tayong emergent ni Julian Strawther. Ito, meron tayong bagong cards from Prism. Si Josh Giddey from Thunder. Yan. Ito si Unicorn. The Unicorn himself. Kristaps Porzingis ng Boston Celtics. Damit niya dito, naka-Washington DC pa siya. Naka-Washington Wizards. Okay, next. We have Gigi Jackson III. Siyempre, from Memphis Grizzlies. Rookie, Gigi Jackson. Ito pa, si Nick Smith Jr. Another rookie ng Charlotte Hornets. Yan. Mga base cards natin. Yes, syempre from Global Reach from Australia. Josh Giddey, naglalaro para sa Olympics. Josh Giddey, ayan, may nakabaliktad tayo. Pink, unang pink natin, si DeAndre Hunter ng Atlanta Hawks. Yan, syempre from the Lakers himself, D'Angelo Russell. Hindi si LeBron, D'Angelo Russell, another pink parallel. Ito at si Robert Covington ng Clippers. Ayan ang ating silver prism. At may dalawang base cards na huli. Si Gabe Vincent ng Lakers, pero naka-Miami Heat pa siyang jersey. And then ang last one natin, ang base card is Josh Hart ng New York Knicks. Ayan, not bad for our pool for this one pack of prism. Ayan, say goodbye na, goodbye. That's my daughter. Okay, bye guys. And what are you going to say?
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Thank you.